Guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update absolutely everything on your computer. Let's get started. So let's start by updating Windows itself. So open your settings app by searching settings in the bottom left corner. And then go to Windows Updates and click on check for updates. So it looks like my computer is up to date. Let's see what to do next. So the next thing we're going to be doing is updating our drivers. So if you don't know already, drivers pretty much just they're in charge of all the hardware that's in your computer. Like, they take control of everything in it, so it's pretty good to keep them up to date. And if you don't, sometimes they can also cause problems. So let's see how to do that. So on the little start menu button, right click on it and then click on device manager, and then wait for it to load up. So this is where all the hardware is going to show up. So pick one of the things that you want to update. In my case, I'm going to be clicking on the little blue arrow, clicking display adapters, and then I'm going to choose my GPU. So that's my Intel graphics GPU. I'm going to right click on it and click on update driver. And as you can see, it's already up to date, so I don't have to do anything. And if there is an update available, it'll do it for you. And sometimes it may require a restart, so just keep that in mind. Next, we're going to update the BIOS. So the BIOS is pretty much the first software that runs on your computer. So it's pretty much in charge of all the hardware on it. It's going to be configuring in it, initializing it, and testing it. So it makes sure that everything is working properly. So to update that, go to your manufacturer's website. So in my case, it's Acer. Then under the website in Acer, it could differ on your different manufacturer's website. Just go to the drivers and BIOS section, and then put in your model number, and then under the BIOS/firmware section, you'll see the new version. Now, how do you know if this is the latest version for you? How do you know if you don't already have this version? Well, in the bottom box, you can just search up system information, and then it'll show you in that window right there. So as you can see, I have installed my BIOS, and when you install it, you always have to right click on it and then click on extract all. In my case, I already did it, so I didn't have to. And then you have to open it up and then just run the application that's inside, and it'll restart your computer just fine. Another thing you might want to do, consider doing, is going to the Microsoft Store and then clicking on the three dots in the top right corner and then clicking on downloads and updates. Now, this is not really mandatory since most of the apps that are on there are Microsoft apps, and they'll most likely get updated in the new Windows updates, but it's always good to keep them updated. So that's just another tidbit that I thought I'd put in the video. Anyway guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. It really does help the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care until then. Bye.